Hey Berry Babes, it's Amber from ABC Berries. Just going to show you guys how I make a s'mores cake jar, or a few s'mores cake jars. So first things first, you bake your cake and you want to make sure that you freeze it. And once it's frozen, that helps to make it easier for this part when you are getting your circles and your cuts taken care of. So I use a cookie cutter, but I do know that it's better to use a biscuit cutter. I just don't have one of those right now. So I use a cookie cutter just to get the shape of the circle, and then I use a knife to cut that shape out. Because a cookie cutter doesn't go all the way through the cake, it's not long enough. So it just kind of gets the outline on the cake, and then you just cut all the excess cake away. And then you cut each circle in half. And I didn't show this part, but I also cut the circles, the top piece and the bottom piece in half, because the jar that I have is not a wide mouth jar. I get these ones from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, but I do want to start using the wide mouth jars. Those ones will be much better, and you won't have to cut the cake pieces in half pieces like how it looks right now. It'll just be a whole circle, and you can just fit that directly into the jar. And then you see me using my chocolate American buttercream frosting, and I'm using the fluff, marshmallow fluff in the middle, and I'm putting golden Oreos because I didn't have any Teddy Grahams or graham crackers, but the golden Oreos is actually really good with this s'mores cake jar. And I just complete the process over and over. I put a layer of cake, a layer of frosting, the marshmallow fluff, repeat that process over and over until my jar is full. And then I go ahead and put the lid on all of those. This one was a little bit overstuffed, as you can see, very full. And I try to drop it down by shaking the bottom of the jar. These ones are highly requested and shippable. So when I'm shipping cake jars like this, I do go ahead and freeze them after they're made and prepared, freeze them overnight, and I put them in an insulated envelope, and I go ahead and ship them. Make sure they're super secure in whichever method you're going to ship them in. So usually I put it in a box as well, and just make sure they're super secure. And you want to make sure that you're branding when you're doing any products. So I'm putting my logo sticker on these jars so they can know who they got it from, that they got it from ABC Berries. These ones were super delicious, and if you guys have any questions about cake jars, go ahead and comment.
ABC Berries, beloved moments, creative sweets.